Okay, this is attempt number 2 on a fresh substrate, starting from a little farther afield on the aluminum oxide this time, using 1.7 millimeter diameter copper wire at 30,000 RPM with an X to Z feed ratio, X to Z feed distance ratio of 80, and a total surface feed rate of 75 millimeters per minute, as the last one was suffering from severe overheating and oxidation. So, with no further ado, I'm going to go ahead and try and cover this whole aluminum oxide substrate with copper to make it solderable for the high tint group to make dummy die. So here goes nothing.